The mechanisms of falling in love. Welcome to this educational video, where we explore the fascinating mechanisms of falling in love. From neurochemical processes in the brain to social and behavioral dynamics, we delve into the complex journey of love. Understanding these mechanisms can help us navigate romantic relationships more effectively and appreciate the depth of human connections. Falling in love triggers a powerful cocktail of neurochemicals in the brain, creating intense feelings of pleasure and attachment. Let us examine the key components involved. The reward circuit in the brain, which includes areas such as the ventral tegmental area, caudate nucleus, and frontal cortex, is activated when we see our beloved. This activation releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure, which is similar to the effects of drugs or music. This surge in dopamine creates euphoria, which we often associate with being in love. Dopamine is released not only when we see our loved one, but also when we anticipate seeing them or think about them. This anticipation and mental imagery can keep the reward circuit active, leading to continuous feelings of happiness and motivation to pursue and maintain a romantic relationship. The role of dopamine in the reward circuit highlights why falling into love can feel exhilarating and consuming. The limbic system, which includes the hippocampus, amygdala, and connections to the hypothalamus, plays a crucial role in love by processing emotions, motivation, and memories. This system links love to positive experiences such as parental love, well-being, and physical contact, establishing a strong emotional foundation for romantic attachments. The hippocampus is involved in forming and retrieving memories, which allows us to remember meaningful moments shared with our loved ones. The amygdala processes emotions, such as fear and pleasure, helping us respond to our partner's emotional states. The hypothalamus regulates the release of hormones that influence mood and physical responses to affection. Together, these structures form a powerful network that supports emotional bonding and attachment. Oxytocin, also known as the bonding hormone, is responsible for the virtuous cycles of affection, attachment, and closeness. It is released during positive social interactions such as hugs, caresses, and physical contact, fostering trust and the desire for reciprocity. Research has shown that oxytocin can induce monogamous pairings in promiscuous species. Oxytocin not only promotes bonding between romantic partners, but also enhances feelings of empathy and compassion. This hormone helps us understand and respond to our partner's needs, making us more attentive and supportive of our relationships. Oxytocin's role in strengthening social bonds underscores its importance in maintaining long-term romantic connections. The combination of oxytocin, endorphins, pleasure, and dopamine, desire, creates the perfect equation for fixating on one person, a hallmark of romantic love. This neurochemical blend solidifies the bond, making us feel deeply connected to and invested in our partners. Endorphins are natural painkillers and mood enhancers that contribute to the overall sense of well-being and happiness in romantic relationships. The synergy between oxytocin, endorphins, and dopamine not only fosters attachment, but also reinforces positive interactions, making us more likely to seek out and cherish moments with loved ones. Although neurochemicals play a significant role in falling in love, psychological and social factors are equally important. These factors influence how we perceive and interact with romantic partners, thereby shaping the dynamics of our relationships. Admiration, especially in its romantic form, is the key driver of falling in love. This admiration can be so intense that it clouds our reason, triggered by the achievements of the loved one. qualities or characteristics we perceive as special. This admiration fuels an emotional connection and desire to be close to the person we admire. When we admire someone, we often idealize them, focusing on their positive traits while overlooking their flaws. This idealization can create a sense of longing and infatuation, motivating us to pursue a romantic relationship. The admiration we feel for our partner can also boost our self-esteem, as we feel proud to be associated with someone we hold in such a high regard. Charisma, which is often linked to the ability to inspire admiration and attraction, plays a pivotal role in seduction. People with charismatic personalities evoke a gentle madness among those who admire them. This enchantment facilitates an emotional connection and the desire to get closer to an admired person. Charismatic individuals are often confident, articulate, and emotionally expressive, which makes them captivating and magnetic. Their ability to connect with others at an emotional level can create a sense of intimacy and trust, which are essential components of romantic relationships. The allure of charisma lies in its ability to make us feel special and understand, deepening our emotional bond with the charismatic individual. Love is far from a simple phenomenon. It is a complex experience involving multiple factors, from genetics to culture and society. Although science can unravel the neural mechanisms and brain chemistry involved, it does not diminish the magic of love. This complexity renders love a unique and profound human experience. Genetic predispositions can influence our tendency to form romantic attachments, whereas cultural norms and societal expectations shape how we express and experience love. Socialization and personal experiences also play a role, as past relationships and interactions impact our approach to new romantic connections. The interplay between these factors creates a rich and multifaceted understanding of love. Connecting to the inner source of love is crucial. This connection can be cultivated through mindfulness and gratitude, allowing us to experience unconditional love, a love that does not depend on external circumstances. This inner connection enriches our ability to love and love. Mindfulness practices such as meditation and deep breathing help us become more aware of our emotions and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Gratitude exercises, such as keeping a gratitude journal, can shift our focus to the positive aspects of our relationships and enhance our appreciation for our partners. By fostering an inner sense of love and contentment, we can become more resilient and capable of maintaining healthy romantic relationships. In summary, the mechanisms of falling into love encompass a blend of neurochemical processes, psychological factors, and social dynamics. By understanding these mechanisms, we can better appreciate the profound nature of love and navigate relationships with greater insight. Love remains a magical and transformative aspect of human experience enriched by both science and emotion. Feeling lost isn't the end, it's your chance to rise. The light ahead leads to your unstoppable self. Keep going. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, share, and let us know your topic ideas in the comments. Until next time.